I got a bad feeling about this.
AG Films.
Today we are building my CUNTPACK. I think this episode will be quite fun because there are things which I don't know how to do and I will try to learn. And okay, let's try and go there. Like a charm! Great! Works nicely, and it actually has a real mileage, 158,000 kilometers. So the car is actually almost new. It has no rust on the side skirts, the usual places. So the interior is perfect condition, and even I have a black roof. But all in all, you know the story is after the registration, all the interior will just go out. We'll just throw everything away because it don't need any extra weight. So all in all, car is actually really good technical condition. Just of course the crashes, so that's why we are here, and that's what we will be doing here. And let's try to fix it. Okay guys, so the story is quite simple. I already took some trimmings. I took my bumper off, I took my inner fenders off also. So at the moment what we have here, we have this broken fender which looks like shit. I actually almost never did any like serious body work. So in this case it will be quite challenging. Even knowing the fact that I know how to weld with MIG. And I could like cut it and weld it with MIG, but there is a problem. I'm now in Czech Republic, Tomáš garage, and he doesn't have a MIG. First of all, I thought I will use rivets to fix it, and because I fucking don't care, it's a beater, it's a missile car. In this case, as we have only TIG welder, which I don't really know how to use it, so it's quite a big problem for me. But well, I will try to cut it, and then I will try to spot weld it with TIG, because I need this car for registration. So we're doing it only to register it, because actually I don't really even care about the smash. It's just a matter of time when I will again smash it into some wall when I'm drifting or something like that. But in Czech Republic it's quite hard to go through registration with a smashed car, so I have to fix it for this moment. Let's continue, let's try to cut it and let's see what happens. Here we have it. Okay, so I cut everything out, and now we will just need to clean everything up, leave it ready as it is, then measure, go to our other compact and cut a bit bigger part so it would overlap, and see what we have. Okay, we have it. So we have a nice rear fender. Now we have to try it on our shitty car, CUNTPACK. So I was able to make something from that piece. Actually, it's really not perfect, like a lot. But I don't have time. I have to finish it today. So whatever. I'm not trying to TIG weld it. Actually, I don't know how to TIG weld. I just saw sometimes how Julius does it from V-tuned, and well, all my knowledge is just looking at it a few times. So let's just try something. And So guys, the story is really simple. I tried to weld it with TIG, and I will say like that. I'm not experienced enough. I got fucked up. I thought that I already fixed in place the upper part, at least, of the panel, and it simply ended up that after touching it a bit, it just fall off, so it's not holding at all. I understand that it's possible and stuff like that, but maybe not with my experience. So in this case, simply I need it as quick as possible. So now I will start collecting my front, and after collecting my front I will just wait for Thomas to come with fiberglass, and I will try to fix it in place with fiberglass. I don't know. It will maybe work for some time until the next crash when it just falls off. But well, yeah, it's still better than nothing, and it's a beater. I shouldn't be like really sad about it. Of course, I'm sad that I don't know how to weld with TIG, and I don't have a MIG. With MIG, I would be able to do it quite quickly, and it will be awesome and nice and stuff like that. But I don't have it, so well, the story is simple. I will just try to fiberglass repair it, and hope at least that way it will work out for me and I will have that fender finished. So we're trying and we're doing, and hope everything will be fine and great again. So as I was saying, I cannot work on my rear fender, on rear panel, so I'm now just changing my front. So I already removed the grill, I'm putting a new one, which is not crashed, it's okay. So yeah, doing just stuff like that until Thomas comes with fiberglass, and then I will try again to do the rear panel. I have just changed the front hood, the front grill, put one headlight in, and still have to do the rest is right front fender and indicator, and also the front headlight. So, and bumper is off, but it's ready to be put back. It's not crashed, it's good condition, stuff like that. So yeah, doing the front, still waiting for Thomas to do the back. Okay, so things are not really changing, but at least we now have Thomas, and he actually gave a nice idea, and now he's trying to weld it with MMA. It's not a proper technique maybe to do that, but we're getting some results. So I think it's better like this. At least it will maybe hold together, but still it doesn't mean that I will leave it like that. So he bought fiberglass,